The word of contraction tall.
Heavy materials. Excavator, truck used in mining operations, capable of carrying hundreds of tons of rock. Dump truck, a dump truck. Bulldozer, a bulldozer has a large blade. Heavy hauler truck, this is a super heavy duty truck, long blade in the middle, used to create flat surfaces, especially in road construction. Forklift, a forklift has forks at the front for backhoe, a backhoe combines a front.
Number 1. Front shovel excavators.
Front shovel excavator. An excavator with a front-facing shovel, ideal for digging deep below the surface and handling heavy materials.
Number 2. Exsavator.
Excavator. A versatile machine with a large bucket, arm, and rotating cab. It's used for digging, grading, demolition, and many other tasks.
Number 3. Mini dump truck. Number 4. Dump truck. Number 5. Buldoser. Number 6. Road roller. Number 7. Cry. Number 8. Ski loader.
Skid loader, a small compact loader with either wheels or tracks, used for excavating, snow clearing, or moving materials in tight spaces.
Number 9. Wheel loader.
Wheel loader. A wheel loader has large tires and a front bucket used to scoop and transport materials like soil, sand, or rocks at construction sites.
Number 10. Train here.
Trencher. A trencher is specialized for digging long, narrow trenches, typically for laying pipes, cables, or drainage systems.
Do not forget, like, subscribe, thank you.